Hey guys, how's it going? Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ricoh Theta. So I bought this and it was $149. You can buy it off Amazon, eBay, multiple stores such as Best Buy and Walmart. They sell these. You can look it up online or go into the store to check it out. Today I'm going to be reviewing how to operate this. I had the Samsung Gear 360 and I'm pretty sure it's similar to that. You can check your footage right before you're ready to take the picture on your phone, or when you click the button on here, you can look on your phone and you can see the pictures and videos. And if you do a 360 view, you can check all around you, the top, bottom, all the angles. It's a pretty cool thing. It has two fisheye lenses on either side. You have the picture choice and the video choice. I think it's a pretty sick camera. It came out not too long ago, so I'm hoping that it is a lot like the Samsung Gear 360, and it is very thin. Yeah, we'll check it out. Let's hop to it. Okay, so unboxing this, it looks like there is a little flap here. So you pull that out, pull out the big frame. So right away when you unbox it, it looks like it gives you the Facebook and the Instagram logo, with both the Ricoh Theta and the Theta 360 official. I believe it gives you more information. I'm not sure, but you guys can go check it out. It probably has people with their pictures on it. Then it gives you another flap you have to pull out. And it looks like we have a manual right here. It's a little worn. It gives you different languages you can choose from, with the different pages that you can go to. And it also gives us a owner's manual, an important message to customers. I guess you unfold it. It's a really big piece of paper. I'm not going to have time to read this, so I'll just read it later. I had the Samsung Gear 360, so I'm pretty sure it's something like that. It comes wrapped in this really nice kind of styrofoam plastic casing. Double wrapped, it looks like, so I take that off, and voila, there it is, and it's packaged. Ooh. Camera on one side, camera on the other. This is Theta on one side, and Ricoh on the other. I'm gonna keep saying Ricoh, so don't hate me for this. It comes with two speakers at the very top to record your audio and play it back. It looks like it gives me a choice for a tripod stand and a HDMI cable, a mini one, and a regular like Android charger to charge it. I believe the HDMI one is another choice for importing your footage to a different device. Right here on the sides, button will show you guys. Right when I push the power button, it turns blue right there on that side, and on the front you get two blue dots. It also gives you choice for Wi-Fi, so if you have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth you can connect to record and get live footage from your phone. It also comes up with a flashing blue Wi-Fi symbol right there. You can also turn it off to get rid of it if you want to check out your footage later and just hope that you take it right. It gives you the choices for camera and video. So right now it looks like it's on the video setting. But when I click the button, it turns to a camera. So you can take pictures. I'm not sure which one. It's probably either the front or the back, but I'm guessing it's for the front camera, just so you can click the picture button there. Picture without it being a selfie mode. I'm not sure. You probably change it in your phone settings once you download the Ricoh Theta app, and then you can push it again for the video settings. So I'm going to turn it off just so I can save some power. And at the very bottom of the box, it looks like, yep, we have a camera socket for it. Also has the Ricoh Theta symbol at the very top here. It's kind of hard to see there, pretty hard to see, but if you're going to be traveling with it instead of carrying a box full of this, you just slide it into the sock there. You are able to charge it and record your footage with it being nice and secure. It's nice and snug in it, so nothing such as water or dirt or wind can affect it. And right here it gives you a barcode at the very bottom. For when you install the app on your phone, it's going to ask you for the 6 numbers at the very bottom plus the XS00 right down there. So just type that in and it'll get your camera set up to your phone. So I'm going to add some more videos later and some pictures of what this camera actually looks like, and it does record in 4K, which is really good for being a camera as it is. I'm going to post the price down below along with the description of some other YouTubers that have some footage of theirs that they've recorded. I'm also going to have some recorded footage of mine in another video. It's just going to show what the footage actually looks like, same with the pictures, and the 360 view. So it'd be all around the sky, the ground, left and right, front and back, everywhere, all the angles. But thank you for checking out this video, and if you like the video, smash that like button and comment down below if you have any questions about how to use this. If you also have any questions about how to use the Samsung Gear 360, I'll also do a video on that since that was my first 360 camera. It's a little bit easier to use, but it's more bulky. It comes with like a huge kind of ball-shaped thing with 2 fisheye lenses. But hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe.